In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop and resize images in GIMP, perfect for beginners looking to enhance their photo editing skills. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful open-source image editor that rivals Photoshop in functionality and flexibility. Whether you're prepping images for your latest social media post or getting that perfect composition for a project, these basic skills will prove invaluable. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the image you want to edit. To do this, simply go to the top menu, click on File, and then Open. Navigate through your files to select the image you want to work with, and it will appear in your workspace. Opening your image is your first step in bringing your creative vision to life. Now let's focus on cropping the image. In the toolbox, look for the Crop tool. It usually appears as a knife icon, a symbol recognized universally for cropping in digital art. Click on it to activate the crop function. Cropping allows you to trim away any unwanted edges or distractions, centering your subject, or reconfiguring your composition for better visual impact. With the Crop tool active, click and drag over the part of the image you wish to keep. GIMP will create a rectangle as you drag, and everything outside this rectangle is what will be cut away. Adjust the rectangle until you've framed the area to your liking. Press Enter to commit to the crop. Cropping is as much about removing as about emphasizing. It helps guide the viewer's eye to the core elements you want to highlight. Once you've cropped your image to the perfect composition, it's time to resize it. To do this, navigate once again to the top menu bar, select Image, and click on Scale Image. This opens a new dialog box where you can adjust the size of your image. You'll see fields labeled Width and Height. You can enter your desired dimensions here. Note that changing the size can affect the quality, so you'll want to strike a balance that fits your project requirements without compromising image clarity. For instance, maintaining the aspect ratio, which can be locked by the chain link icon, ensures the image scaling doesn't distort your subject. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to crop and resize an image in GIMP. These foundational skills are the building blocks for future projects, letting you control the focus and fit of your photos. Remember, practice is key. The more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more natural it will become, enabling you to explore even more advanced features in GIMP with confidence. We've only scratched the surface today, but you're well on your way to mastering image manipulation. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!